Okay, y'all, so I have this type of faucet in one of my bathrooms. As you can see, the faucet sits up high. I purchased this faucet to assist in times when I just say I'm shampooing my hair and need to rinse the shampoo out right away. And also in times when I'm applying shampoo to my hair and just say the hair has dried out, I'm able to just stick my head under here and allow the water to you know, wet my hair again before applying the shampoo. And this is the flow of the water. And one cool thing about this faucet is the stopper. This is the stopper. All you have to do is push the stopper down if you want to fill the sink up with water. And if you're wanting to, you know, let the water out, you just push it and the water goes out. I also like that I'm able to just pull this stopper out. The stopper is designed to catch anything that tries to flow down the drain, as well as hair. Whenever I rinse my hair in the sink, there's a piece of hair right there. I always pull this out afterwards and remove all of the hair. Now it doesn't catch all of the hair because these little openings are kind of big, but for the most part it does catch a lot of the hair that tries to go down. And I purchased this faucet off of Amazon. I think I paid I think maybe about $40 to $60 for the set. I'm not exactly sure. I'll go and try to find the link to this set if you're interested in purchasing this set, and I'll post it in the description box. I don't know if y'all have seen this TV in other videos, but I installed this TV in the kitchen so that Haley and Nadia can be entertained while I'm doing their hair. They have a lot of hair and it takes a long time to do the hair. So I allow them, if they want to watch movies on this TV. That's pretty much all we use this TV for. Okay, y'all, so I also invested in this type of faucet for the kitchen. I got this faucet from Home Depot and I paid about $200 for the faucet. And you may say that that's expensive, but I really have enjoyed using this faucet. This faucet has helped me out so much as far as washing my hair as well as Nadia and Haley's hair. I'm able to detach this part and move it around, so it helps me not have to bend over so much and try to get one side of the head, wash one side of the head. I'm able to just pull this out and reach this over. I also like the fact that the faucet is high. It sits up high, just like the faucet I showed you in the bathroom. I'm able to bend under here and, you know, wash my hair as I have shown y'all in previous videos. I also like that I'm able to change the settings of the flow of water. And I normally use this stream of water to wash my hair because, again, as I mentioned about the shower head, to me this flow helps remove, it pushes off any debris, any dirt, oil from the hair strands as well as the scalp. It also allows you to use like the little sprinkler setting. My husband, he likes this setting. He feels that it does a better job because you're covering more space at one time. But to me, I'd rather just use the heavy flow of water. And I also purchased this water filter for the showers. I got this from Home Depot. But this part right here is only like a case. The filter part is on the inside and I'm not going to unscrew it. But you do have to change it out. Once it's full, you'll know because water starts seeping out of this little part right here.